charger. Me say bad one me. Mini binti obi ampamasem nankami ubia. The me so. Mini binti obi ampamasem. Me say bad one me. Mini binti obi ampamasem nankami ubia. Ubia bebe me. I feel baby. Me new be in DMO. Yeah, me tiwe, mini sika. We see me tiwe, mini ubia. Fi se me a me tiwe, mini mi fie fadin. Baby, I see you be a bunny pa. Fie be, fie be, fie be, fie be,
Well, your friend Frank Fifi Gabin, Dodwana Frame, Director 1, The Lion of Kumawo. Over on this location, as I said here, I'm the principal director, and as I say, I'm the main director. I'm directing film, no, and I'm as assistants for so more assisting me. At the same time, I'm the originator and the creator of the story, the concept, and almost everything that has to do with the story. I think that one may ask why a country called Ghana, and I said concept is about what, or the gist of the storyline. I think that for a very long time, Africans or Ghanaians, they are to your culture, your history, tradition, norms, values, they are to be very good because of the coming of Christianity, other faith, beliefs, systems, be very, ama and you may be you hold in high esteem. Ana ye nim se eno na ebo oman no ho ban ana na ebo ye kro ho ban ene enima bebe ni se kwa no ida se ye nyinni ana se bi kwa na amamre bi o se ye de masa ade no ma ebo ekro no ho ban no ni nyina no ya to ni nyina no egu enti no story we no twe ya adwene akosi saa enema na nyema dada na ya to agu na yese sebe saa bre no na ye abagime bre na enibie ma ya na enye computer age ene saa enema ne man no is all about abrofo nyinu bi na efri enyirisi abochire ebe piem wo oman bi a ye frɛ no Ghana na omo main aim a omo de eba na se de omo be ka kire before omo ba no because omo nhyɛ the name Africa your root ni ade ntino omo pe Nigeria for mienu bi ka omo Nigeria for no name the terrain in Africa just omo no omo tutu kwan kakra ntino is assume so omo de betimi edi omo anim and early di omo de omo aba destination as a Ghana e kropotin na omo pepe bibi asumbu bi ede for omo de betimi edi omo anim ntino omo baye omo bebedu ye no so no ekrom ho no so no na che se eye nipa ba ko penete brofo ewo ekrom ho eye lewen na abrofo enti twi Nigeria for no so enti twi na ekrom ho so no obi aso enti brofo na lewen kwa na eti brofo die ese lewen no so mene no ekabom no mene no eye adwuma nti mo de beto oman ni nyina anim so mo person won dey ntuduma development near the ade bakromo school na boreholes and all those things but now behind their back na suman bi na omo pe ewo Africa na say oman e friend no Ghana na suman e bo oman no enyina ho ba e friend no kankan nyame or a god called Kankan Nyame. Na Bruni na Brofo no almost were a sorcerer be and I say almost were obi te say the every be say okonfo a ono so bo spiritual no so working ma omukro no nti ono no tumi na owo no opese ne de no onya ewiase tumi nyina onya de powerful, the most powerful you know wiase nyina nti no saa de no so benya I just Africa ha na Africa so no your man be a friend of Ghana, a country called Ghana kwana saa de no yes akankan nyame no nti no omo bedada ekuro no eto lewe na otebro fo no omo to no so adwene na ho na ye be mu say lewe beton ne conscience so beton ne man Ghana no de ama abrofo no anase onton emfa mom na bosum no omo bepede afi oman ya ye friend of Ghana mu na omo de akoka omo de ho na omo etumi no aye kese omo atia bebedi wiase nyina so no omonsa ebeka na into ebebo mesi susu dine me wo na mo kom mon amour bleu
Watiana Range Rover Raben and the dream when you na taxi consent to who we we so 50 me bre mama me so na my ya mo pre Pepsi Kade bodam for mon dog mo say na me bass ye dirty when I'm bre when I'm free charging feet in the mon am sre mo mi amen so na fe na me tre na ne champion head of pop chira wa mo tuo mu when any mu ya senti mu na say the reason obi ara betwem kwa ye gina mu wa she ebem fo wa she ubinya sem wa she and this cabin bro wa she me show be a some fast my santi be my jam let me do my thing the other bedroom me hon again if I got to F pack then blow your pain away I did wish I sing in there if I want would be a ton say every day rushing me so my busy cashing checks.
Well, I think say expectation is very high because I can see some movie you know the movie is trending not just in Ghana, not just in Nigeria, but across Africa and the rest of the world. The share responses are with three other countries. But we can see that expectation is very, very high. And not na your team also no yatu yabo. Yesha ye twa de no ye de to boase ye twa de na yesha no kama se na be at the end a product no be bibia Ghana for ne Africa and worldwide na twa on so at least ya ye bibi dia share o mine on Africa na and so the world at large will expect something unpredictable. They should expect something beyond the normal or the ordinary Ghanaian movies that we see. This is a movie that we envisage say will go not just beyond Africa, but it will go to the international stage. We are expecting to see at least this movie on Netflix for the first time, and looking at the hype around the movie and the way the movie is trending, and how we've also taken our time to shoot this with the kind of stars in there. We are expecting say this movie should at least get to Netflix, Amazon, or most of the international platforms. But most importantly, we will need to get some cinema. We also say it will go to the cinemas, especially cinemas in Ghana and in Nigeria, where this collaboration is coming from. No man go coming a crano, become sima no quasanti, o de masem catini no where ma say. Ebebo, con conseil, ti ebebo, Mrs. Susu, Namuko, mon amour,
Hi, my name is Nkansah Chukwumono, and I'm on the set of a country called Ghana. Me boss at your poso, dodo, yes, but Kiamonye, so much I got away. Man, I see we not there, but the rappers we day, we killing shit every day. Slide past my popo, shout to Kokolo, so wash, Hi, my name is Weezy Empire, and I'm playing the character of Sir Franklin, one of the white guys who came to loot the African treasure.
Sikani Kokuni.
Lord, too many against the brook now.
Oh na 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 na, hi, where it go? Hi, where it go? Oh na 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 na, yeah, him, nasa show ube. Yeah, him, nasa show ube. Yeah, him, nasa hawa, where it go?
It's sort of like a satire where you'll talk about the ills and well, the issues that are still befalling us black people, and it talks about it almost like comically, but at the same time addressing those issues and how it affects us, daily, even till now. So it was very important for me to be part of it when I saw it. Also, it's been so long I've been to Kumasi and I wanted to come back.
Weezy me again, Dabia at the rain. Also time on Baba, yes, we did Muka, amen. Nipam Bay and Boswell, and so die, Jenaso. Yeah, I'm watching you, won't I say by your ship? Says you are wow life, wow night.
Well, I must say, Lil Wayne is a very lively personality, so he definitely made it quite, very interesting and fun. All the way from the airports when we came in, it was, traditional and cultural people there to welcome us, drums, dancers, and all of that. And getting to the city, to town, I had more fun. Like, he made me very comfortable, even though this place is pretty far from town. It's more like we're in a village of some sort. But he never we don't get tired. There's always some activity or the other, And then he almost wants to overfeed us, there's always something to eat. If you look around you see bananas, you see cocoa, you see pear, avocado and all that. So everything is here. So we just pick, eat, film, and sleep and wake. I usually don't know how to predict the turnout of films from filming. I try not to. I hope it turns out absolutely well. I pray that it will turn out well. I know it's always good to be confident about what you do, but it's fine. But I still like to leave it in the hands of the viewers who are watching to decide what their take is on this one. But here's my own input. My input is that it's one thing that talks about the problems of our society generally, the black man's issue, how we are subjected to discrimination and how we've been oppressed all this while, the racism and all of those things, the exploitation, of our land and our resources and things of that nature, because they're still there and they still exist. So those things are more important to me to address, and I hope that when people get to watch it, they see more of that in it beyond the comic part of it,
Señor,
me.